So you open your FL and then you go to your options, audio settings, you select the Sokay CS-22A audio USB just to check it so that you can understand what I'm saying. You close, you should be able to have your output, but then to get your input, this is what you do. You go back to your mixer. Okay, yeah, this is the mixer. You see that there's no input, so go back to your audio settings, check, then you select FL ASIO. That's it, FL ASIO. Yeah, so you show panel, you select the audio input. You see that microphone, USB audio, and output also the same thing, Sokay CS-22A, right? Then you check your buffer size, buffer length, which one works best for your project, just to see if you have any latency or whatever it is. So once you have that sorted, your input should work now. So you see it's activated on your FL. So close, select your input. You have input 1 active, input 2 active, your input 1 and 2 active. Select your input 1. My mic is connected to my input 1. So when I talk, it would peak. Once I talk now, you see it. A.
1,
A.
2,
You see that?
1,
Yes.
2.
So that's it. I think that's basically it. So we have our input working. We can then record,
2,
see
1,
the
2.
waveform in our FL. Okay, I think so. We can see our input once you record. That's it. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Thank you.